Hello everyone, I hope you all are good and doing great. In today's video, we are going to show you our hand block Chanderi suit sets and some Kota cotton sarees also. So first we'll start with our Chanderi hand block suit sets. So the first suit for today is in milky white. काफ़ी टाइम से डिमांड आ रही थी white की. So this is in milky white. You can see it has a lovely hand block golden and a white print on it with a very graceful border. It has a self printed cotton bottom and it is paired with a hand block printed cotton chanderi dupatta. So in this suit the base will be milky white only, the prints gonna be different. So we have 5 prints in this. First one I have shown you, second is this, third is this, fourth, and this is the fifth one. So base is white with the golden and a white hand block print, and fabric is cotton chanderi. Second design for today is an indigo blue, which is always loved by everyone. So this is the indigo block print with magenta border, which can be used on sleeves or on neck, and it is paired with a magenta cotton bottom, and it too has a lovely indigo dupatta. So in this also we have 5 different combinations. One we have shown you magenta, the second one is in red, third one is in green, fourth one is yellow, and the fifth one is in red. So the kurta gonna be same with different combinations. Third design for today is in grey color, which we call it kashish color. So this is the again hand block cotton chanderi. This is paired with a red bottom, and it too has a lovely chanderi cotton dupatta. All these suits have been made using natural dyes. No chemical dyeing has been used in these suits. So similarly, this also has 5 combinations. The one I have shown you is in red, second is in yellow, third is in green, red, and this is peacock shade. Another design for today, again in indigo. So this is the light indigo shade. Earlier we have showed you dark indigo. So this is a little bit, you can say, batik kind of concept with indigo, and it is paired with a magenta bottom. Dupatta is so graceful, you see. It has a very beautiful dupatta. Similarly, it also has 5 different pairs. One is in this peachish orange, green, red, and the yellow. So this also have 5 shades. Another one for today. This is again in hand block. It is in black color. It has a rust border, which can be used on sleeves or neck, anything. So it is paired with a rust bottom, and it has a very beautiful dupatta. You'll see. I'll show you the whole dupatta. So see, the dupatta is very rich, very graceful. So in this we have 2 shades. One is black, and another is rust. So this is the vice versa of the black one. Again in black with a small booty the rust border, plain bottom, it too has a very graceful dupatta. Similarly, this also has one more shade which is in rust with a black bottom. Another design. This is in rust shade with a lovely block print on it. It has a plain black bottom. So it too has a lovely dupatta. And in this, again we have one more color which is black paired with a rust bottom. So guys, these were our cotton chindery hand block suits, and I will repeat again that these have been made using natural dyes. No chemical dyeing has been used, and these are all home washable, and these are priced for 2700 each. I repeat, these are priced for 2700 rupees each. And now I'm going to show you our Kota cotton sari sets. So these are our again hand block Kota cotton sarees. So you can see it is a lovely black and white saree. It has a lovely pallu, lovely block print, which has a lovely blouse also of cotton. This saree is priced for 2500. Second design with the same combination but a different booty. It too has a lovely block print. So I'll show you the saree. It has a polka dot blouse, and this is the saree you can see. So this is also priced for 2500 rupees. Now the another one, this is an Ajrak print. Fabric is same, Kota cotton. Each saree has a different blouse with it. So this is the Ajrak print. You can see it as a lovely saree with a lovely pallu and all over nice print. And this saree has a Kota blouse in polka dot. So on the blouse also we have a border which you can use on sleeves. It's up to you, it's a choice. Extra border is also given. So this is priced for 2800. One more saree in this same combination in Ajrak print. Lovely pallu, it has a lovely pallu and all over nice hand block print, and it too has a Kota blouse of a hand block. Another one again in hand block. So it again has a vertical striped pallu with a lovely hand block print with a sleeve border on the saree also. And it has a lovely cotton blouse with it. We have one more shade in this. This saree is priced for 2500. Again, the combination of indigo and rust. Lovely vertical stripes pallu with a lovely hand block print all over the sari, and it has a lovely indigo cotton blouse. So this is priced for 2500. In this we have shown two shades, one is kashish, another is indigo. Again a very different color in a kota sari. So you can see it has a lovely flowers on the pallu. It has a broad pallu with a lovely hand block print, and this is a very different color. Neither it is mustard nor golden. So it's a very different combination of in a brown tone with a paired with a cotton hand block blouse. So this is also priced for 2500. Now I'm going to show you something more different. These are also cotton kota sarees, but these are little bit different from the ones I have shown you. So you can see there's a lovely hand block print, very nice combinations used. The base of a saree is sea green, it has a white pallu. On it we have lovely hand block prints. So saree has very lovely tassels also, and I will show you this saree has a very beautiful zari border also along with it. So there's a running border on the saree, and this saree has a kota blouse. So this is priced for 3400. So these are the prints which I will show you. We have 4 prints in this. One I have shown you. Second one is in little green. Third one is also in sea green with a peach combination. And this is also a lovely saree. Each saree has lovely tassels, zari border. So these 4 designs are priced for 3400. So this was all for today. For orders, you can visit our store, which is situated on Subhash Road, Dehradun, or you can order online also. You have just take a screenshot and send us a message, or you can DM us on Facebook, Instagram, or you can WhatsApp us also on 9760879903. We are delivering pan India. So this was all for today. Thank you. Dhanyavad.